here once more. Got two little packages here, so I'm gonna go into the drawstring bag first because this is where all the goodies are. So firstly, I got this headband. I got a pair of invisible HD wig caps. I got a bonnet, really nice. Wig grip. 2 section clips. A Celie branded elastic headband. Also got a rat tail comb, guys. They sent a bunch of goodies. This is so nice. I got a pair of lashes, an edge brush and comb, and lastly in the bag, let me check. Yeah, lastly in the bag, I got some hairpins, and these are always so handy. And you could definitely use this to store your wig in once you're done with it, or you're going to cleanse it and stuff and want to put it away. Perfect storage. And then here's the box with the wig. So they made sure to send this Celie booklet, which usually lists all their social media along with hair care and all of that good stuff on the inside. So that's always good to have. And then finally the wig. So the wig that we're working with, guys, is amazing because it is a glueless wig, and I've been showing you guys a lot of glueless wig options. It's a body wave, and they say this is 24 inches, but girl, this seems a little longer. Love these waves, really pretty, beautiful body wave vibe going on. It's truly so nice, and it's very full to the tip of the wig. You see how nice and soft these waves are, and it's a 1B color, of course. So let's get into the whole construction. So it's a pre-cut lace that they sent. Everything is pretty much done for you already. You really don't have to do a lot of work. So this is a very beginner friendly kind of wig, and it's a 16 by 5. So you have a little bit more space to work with. It will give more of an illusion as if you're working with a lace front wig and not a lace closure. So I think that's amazing. They've really upgraded these kind of closure wigs these days, and I'm really happy. So the type of wig cap that we're working with inside for the construction is a very breathable one, and it's perfect for summertime because, you know, everything is hotter in summer. So you want, if you're going to wear wigs, you want to know that your scalp can still breathe and you're not feeling too, you know, like confined. So the lace is like a medium tone, and you know, everything is pretty nice and standard. I love the construction. They ensure to add this adjustable elastic band for added security, which I feel like this is a plus in these type of wigs. Really keeps the wig snug on your head. And then there's also some adjustable straps in the back, so you can loosen it or tighten it further to your liking. So I always love that. I always adjust mine to make it a little bit more snugged, you know. So it's all up to you and your preference and what you want to do. Yeah, so now that I show you guys the wig, let's go ahead and jump into doing this quick installation. This is literally going to be like a throw on and go kind of vibe. Let's go. So I use the elastic band that I showed you, the adjustable elastic band, to slip the wig on, and it's so snugged, guys. Right off the bat, this is so nice and flat. I really love the look of it. This is gonna be so easy to finesse, so easy. I'm definitely going to make the parting deeper, because yeah, it's too short. Like yeah, nice bust down vibes. And I'm going to kind of like pull the hair away from my face. I'm gonna use my hot comb to do this, so everything can kind of lay in the direction that I want it to lay. And this is where, you know, you spend a little bit more time, and you could always do this overnight before you actually plan on wearing the wig, so that way when you're actually ready to wear it, you could literally have it styled already, put on one side, and you just slip it on and you're good to go. So I'm gonna go in with my wax stick.
you deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher.
That I got the top of the wig super flat, which that's what I love. I'm going to make the parting more precise by using some of my foundation to go down the middle, and then I also, if you notice, there's a little bit of cast in the front here of the lace. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some of my powder to help to camouflage that. And just take my time, and this really helps. So this is it. Look at those natural waves that it came with. It's so gorgeous. I'm not gonna touch it. It's too beautiful. It's so consistent straight to the tip of the hair. It looks really good, and the lace looks really good too. Like, yep, completely glueless. Yeah, you guys know I'm not stopping with giving you the convenience, right? Yeah, so throw on and go. The only thing you have to do is just ensure that, you have it laying really flat and nice, and your parting looks good and everything, and it's a 10. Look at that. I just love the natural, effortless look that it has. Like, let me know in the comment section if you love that. Like, there are days when I want it to be like super precise, but there are other days when I love like the whole effortless vibe, and it's giving effortless. It looks nice and luxurious, like of great quality. I love that. I really love that. It's really and truly giving everything that it's supposed to give. I love it. You could go ahead and you could, put a piece of this behind your ear. I love doing that. I really and truly love doing that. So you could really style this up, and if you want to go ahead, you could definitely put it in a center part, in a side part. Yeah, so you have some flexibility. Even though it's still a closure, you have a good space, a good amount of space working with in terms of where you can part it. So thumbs up to Celie. But yeah, that's it. That's it for today's wig look, guys. That's it for today's wig install. Really quick, very to the point. The only part, as I mentioned before, that I took the most time on was really styling it. That's it. But everything looks so good, and I love it. Let me know what you guys think. I'm going to be sure to drop the direct link to this wig, in my description box as usual, and all the necessary information, the specifications and stuff will be down there as well. If I have any deals, any discount, anything like that, it will be listed. Shout out to Celie Hair once more for today's wig. And thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more wig looks and recommendations and just other videos overall. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover.